Duduk.
Just a woman. Let me believe what I could be in all that I am. Show me the stairway I got to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, look me today, show me the way, one day at a time. Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart be lonely and long for heaven and home? When Jesus is my portion, my constant friend is He. His eyes on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. His eyes on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. Help me here. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. For His eyes on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. I love you, Lord, for Your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in Your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. So my life You have been faithful. So my life You have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing.